Do you ever find yourself staring at your fridge, wondering what to cook for dinner?
Are you tired of eating the same old meals every week?
Do you want to eat healthier but don't know where to start?
Are you looking for quick and easy dinner ideas that won't keep you in the kitchen all night?
Do you struggle to find time to cook during busy weeknight, but still want to enjoy delicious and satisfying meals?
Do you find yourself making the same boring meals week after week because you just can't seem to come up with any new ideas? Do you dread meal planning and grocery shopping because you know it's just going to lead to more frustration in the kitchen? Well, fear not. The solution to your dinner time woes has arrived in the form of the cookbook, Easy Weeknight Dinner Ideas Chicken Edition. In the bustling modern world, it can be challenging to find the time to prepare a healthy and satisfying meal. That's why the Easy Weeknight Dinner Ideas Chicken Edition is such a welcome addition to any kitchen. As we venture through the digital realm of books, we come across a rare gem in the form of a limited time offer, the book with its 10 delicious chicken recipes. This cookbook provides a solution for those who want to prepare a tasty meal in a hurry. One standout recipe is the baked chicken breast with roasted vegetables. The dish is a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds, with the tender and juicy chicken complemented perfectly by the crunch and sweetness of the roasted vegetables. The book's clear and concise instructions ensure that even novice cooks can create a mouth-watering meal. The recipe's tips, such as brining the chicken breast and bringing it to room temperature before baking, show the book's attention to detail and elevate the final result. Easy Weeknight Dinner Ideas Chicken Edition is an excellent resource for anyone who wants to spice up their dinner routine with minimal fuss. The book is well written and beautifully presented, with tempting photographs that will leave you salivating. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, this cookbook is a must-have in your kitchen. Easy Weeknight Dinner Ideas Chicken Edition is now available on Amazon Kindle Unlimited at a discounted rate for a short period of time. This book offers a wealth of knowledge on developing and maintaining healthy eating habits, presenting its content in a clear and concise manner. But that's not all. Sometimes this book can even be obtained for free as a promotion, providing even greater accessibility for those seeking to improve their health and wellness. So do not miss this opportunity and venture forth to uncover the secrets of healthy eating through Easy Weeknight Dinner Ideas Chicken Edition.
As an exciting update, I must mention that this fantastic cookbook is not only available on Amazon Kindle Unlimited, but also in a beautiful paperback format. For those who prefer the traditional way of cooking and want to add this gem to their bookshelf, the paperback version is a must-have. And for those who love the air fryer, I have great news for you. The air fryer edition of this cookbook is coming soon, which will bring even more variety to your weeknight dinners.
So, whether you like to cook using your air fryer or prefer the good old-fashioned way, you won't want to miss out on the fantastic recipes that this cookbook has to offer. Click the link in the description to get to the book right now, and make sure you don't miss out.